Happy Friday, folks. This is the March 12th, 2021 daily log entry for dollar, euro, cable, and I've included your homework at the end of this presentation. All right, here's the dollar index. This is our 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we have that weekly gap opening that was retraded to on Friday, reached up into consequent encroachment of that and ran out some buy side liquidity in the London close of the day. Leading up into it, we had a run from midnight open, New York time. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, rallies up, creates a bullish order block, which it trades down into in London. If you look at a lower time frame, you can get an optimal trade entry in here with that order block. What lower time frame? 5 minute, 1 minute. The market rallies up, pauses a little bit, then runs right into that weekly gap opening. All I've done is extended that in time, and we had relative equal highs here. So buy side liquidity resting above all this. New York open trades down into a small little volume imbalance here, and then the tail of this candle's the breaker. It's a bearish breaker, and if you split that and get consequent encroachment, 50% of that, project that out in time, see we trade to it here after breaking down below it. So London close, continuation lower down into the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, consequent encroachment. Euro dollar 15-minute time frame. All right, this was a little bit of a flat market on, not a lot of activity on this one. It ran down below and low here for sell side liquidity. Key turning points were a bearish order block on the 60-minute time frame, which it trades up to, and from a 60-minute bullish order block. And you'll see these levels obviously when we do our weekend commentary on Sunday. London open, low of the day. New York open, short-term reversal into a low forming in London close, but not below the low formed in London open. The lowest down close candle here, closing price as your rejection block. Notice it sweeps that. It does not need to run below the low. All right, pound dollar or cable, 15-minute time frame. All right, so we have that imbalance on the hourly chart. We've just extended those levels out in time. We referred to those earlier in the week, so just go back and look at that. Market trades down to the lower end of that, rallies back up in. Displacement in London, small little fair value gap, optimal trade entry here. Extends lower into New York. Notice the low is forming just outside of our kill zone. And then rallies higher, back in, rejection block. Trades back up into the fair value gap for London close, and then consolidation into the close of the day. Okay, here is your homework. This is gold versus the US dollar, and you can pull that up with the symbol XAUUSD. So make sure you're using Forex.com's data feed for TradingView platform. 15-minute time frame is your time frame. Try to set your chart up like this. Okay, use your best estimations is how this is framed relative to the time and price axis. So the closer you get it to look like this, the better. And your homework is to outline everything that you know up to your present understanding, why gold was a buy here and why did it trade there. Okay, and obviously you can see down here the PD array solution will be provided to you in Monday's March 15th daily log entry at the end. Okay, And with that, I will touch base and talk with you on Sunday morning at 10 a.m. New York time. Enjoy your weekend, folks.